Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So, in my last video, I uploaded a video to YouTube. I told you that I will show you how to create a thumbnail. So, in this video, we are going to create a thumbnail. So, let's start doing. And first of all, you have to do a screenshot from the video which you have created, which you are going to upload. So, from my video, okay. I will take a screenshot here. Okay, I have taken the screenshot. I will close this video and I will now go to where I have to paste this screenshot. So here create a new bitmap image, open, name it, like in my case I am creating this for upload video, so I will name it as upload. Open it with a paint. Here you can place it and sorry, from the paint settings you have to crop an area. Like I'm going to crop this particular area. Okay, do a crop, save your image, and you are good to go now. Okay, this is our image. So the tool I am using is Canva website. Okay, here I will go. This is the Canva website. This is the home page. You can sign up here. It will allow you to create some designs for free, and if you go and opt for premium version, like it's a Try Canva Pro, it will give you more premium options to use. It's on your choice. So I will show you my work from the last video. The thumbnail I uploaded is this particular one. I chose this thumbnail and then edited it according to my choice. So now I am going to edit this my last one. So what I will do, I will simply drag the image. Okay, here is our image. I'm going to drag it here. Okay, here it is saying that extension issue, so we will convert this image to JPEG first. We will choose our file. Okay, upload. Wait for a few seconds. Let it upload on the website. Once it is uploaded, you can start converting it. So here it is converted. So download this file. Okay, it's downloaded twice. You can simply drag this, sorry, here. So it's uploaded here. Okay, do some settings. It's easy to use, just play with it and you will be easy with it. Okay, here you can see now I will change this text according to my requirements. Here I will change this text color. Okay, here my thumbnail is ready to use. We can download this. Okay. Okay, here you can see the download has started. Now I'm going to use this thumbnail for my next video. Okay, check it here. So here we go. There this is, and okay. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned. In my next video I will show you the tools which I am using to edit these videos, and I will edit a video to show you how I edit my videos. So stay tuned. See you in my next video. Bye bye.